Alright guys and gals, today we're going to be replacing our ignition coil. So that is this bit right here. Now, before we go ahead and get started, you want to make sure that you have fully disconnected your battery. Once you've disconnected the battery, go ahead and pull back the boot, and hopefully you should be able to see here that we have our positive terminal marked there and our negative down there. On the positive side, we're going to have a 10 mil, and on the negative side, we're going to have an 8 mil. Okay, so you got a nut and a washer. There's your 8 mil nut and washer. So now we've disconnected it. Now we just have to undo the bracket. To get this bracket off here, you're gonna want to use another 10 mil on the back inner side of this fender. So at the bottom, you've got your washers. Oh, there you go. Got all that. So it sits in there like that. The nut at the end. And so you can see here, so you don't mess it up, you can't fit the smaller one on the positive. So you can only do the positive to positive. Pull that off there. And here is our old ignition coil. See, Bosch. And there is the old part number. Then we can hook everything up. So again, goes through the top, and you got all this on the bottom. Okay, so that should be nice and secure now. So go ahead and reinstall our boot. So go ahead, do a final nut and bolt check, make sure everything's really good and secure, and you can reinstall your boot. And just make sure that it's fully on the underside there. And then you should be good to go. So that is how you replace your ignition coil on your BMW E30. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. And feel free to share and comment below. Thanks for watching.